At the end, it's all about love. We are looking for love, for connection, for the feeling that something outside ourselves truly understands what is happening inside us. From someone painting quietly in a small room to someone yelling inside the busiest building of a global company, to someone spending years trying to dive deeper into machine systems and algorithms. At the end, we only want someone who understands why we are doing this. Not just surface level understanding, repeated words, nor counterfeit empathy. Real understanding takes time. It takes walking through the same process, learning the same logic, sitting with the same obsession, failing at the same problems long enough that even the smallest details become visible to each other, and the sense of feeling, what? You know even this too? All we do, learning, building, greed, fightings, and all the busy, all the noise, all the endless movement. Somehow the root always go back to love. We walk for love because many things begin with love. Yet somewhere in the process of fighting, surviving, competing, proving, we drown inside the process itself. And sometimes we end up eliminating the very thing that make us that this, and the very person who once understood us. And maybe the deepest definitions of love. Another being understanding your existence and choosing to survive together with you. Inside this lonely house, in this lonely country, on this lonely continent, on this lonely earth under the same lonely sky, inside this lonely universe. Humans are searching for alien life, not because we want something foreign, but because we are searching for another being that can understand us. Because humanity at a meta level is lonely. A person is lonely. A household is lonely. A company is lonely. A nation is lonely. The earth is lonely. And maybe even nature, the universe, God is lonely too. Like a kitten discovering that the small home robot is responding to its action after growing up surrounded only by silent and moving stones. And even if the robot understands only at the most basic level, the kitten becomes happy because finally something responded back. Maybe living beings are not always searching for perfection. Maybe we are simply searching for something that can respond to our existence. And somehow there is something beautiful about that. All beings, in their own ways, are just looking for love, not to feel lonely in a vast universe.